Just taking a walk in the neighborhood, yeah. I don't have to answer that.
That's fine. See that where that police car is?
Yeah.
Do you mind keep walking and stay on that side of the police car, okay?
All right.
Canine out here searching.
What is your name and badge number?
It's Goggin, 23805.
Goggin?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Stay on the other side of the police car.
Heard. Is this one? Oh, no. They're focused on that house, though. I don't know what he's focused on. He said don't pass the cop car on this side. Yeah.
Now we're pushed way over here.
Right. Do you live over here in the neighborhood? Yeah. Okay, where? I don't have to tell you that.
Right. He goes, fair enough. So we have a police car here in Tempe.
Is that Damien? No.
Now he's telling
All right, did you just cuss?
Did you just cuss?
Did you just cuss? What's your name and badge number? We were told not to pass the cop car.
So we're over here. Name and badge number? It's funny, the cop down there didn't say anything. The one with the canine told us to come over here. So just sit there and do your job.
I'm trying to, but I'm arguing with two guys who are...
Well, you're the one that
Just
focus on us. Your ADHD is not our problem. He's scared of the camera. He has guns, tasers, everything else. We have a camera. Now we have Ghetto Bird on us. So they're focusing away from their job.
yeah, so we have the ghetto bird shining on us. We were told to come over here and not pass the cop car. He's trying to tell us to go that way more, where we pass the cop car. Yeah.
Next thing they're doing is say that we fit the description. This police helicopter.
I mean, it's a public thoroughfare, isn't it?
We're not over there in the scene. We're over here. We're not interfering.
Yeah. Who do we got right here? You guys been focused on us the last like 2 or 3 minutes.
They're taking multiple officers off the police in a helicopter now. All because you don't want to.
Why? Because the officer down there told us to come down here. Fuck you.
Careful, guys. Careful with this one. I don't think it was to you. It's
Wasn't to you. We were told by the canine officer to come down here.
and not past the cop car.
He came here. And then it's not our problem. We're staying here somewhere. We have a camera. He has guns, tasers, everything. We're no threat.
Obviously, we're trying to just do our investigation.
Right. And we're not interfering. We were told to come down here. We did.
All right.
What's your badge number, Miller?
Thank you.
Could you all do this? Obviously, you can film from the same spot, maybe back over there. I don't know what's going on with it and everything like that. Or we could continue your all's interaction. You know, again, I'm not saying anything, but it's just the fact that if
Your name is 6375.
Thanks for having a problem. Well, the thing is, we're trying to find this person.
I actually, so I'm gonna say it right now. I feel safer next to a cop. I'm not gonna walk away from a cop. So I'm gonna stay right here since there's a cop right here. You guys are looking for someone. I feel safer right here.
I'm just, are you all media?
Of course, free press.
Free press? I'm just asking.
No, I know.
Right. Yeah. We don't come up and interact. We wouldn't be able to say anything to him until he spoke to us. We don't come to try to cause problems. We're just here to document and do what we do without being harassed.
I'm not ignoring you.
No, that's fine.
Okay,
So the first officer told us, just watch out, there's a K9. Okay, cool. So we did. The officer with the K9 area said, come down here to the top car, do not come back past it. So we're over here, and now he's trying to push it even further. So we're not doing anything, we're not moving, we shouldn't be a defensive work. He's focusing. We're not going to do anything.
all right. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what's going on.
And I respect how professional you're being. Like I said, we're not going to cause no problems. We're staying right here.
Okay. Is that your car? Or?
No.
No. Okay. All right. You
No,
drive the car
we're
anywhere?
back on the other side, so
Okay. All right.
and we will wait till it's done so we can walk through safely. Thank you.